Hey, grab your double sticks because today is day number 4 of our double stick collie challenge. Through the entire month of August, twice a week, I'm putting up videos of double sticks. That's gonna get you training up for those who want to take part in the upcoming Double Stick Carranza challenge. And then you can enter for your chance to win some cool gear and Collie Center prizes. Today is day 4. So if you're just catching this double stick challenge now, go ahead, feel free to grab your double sticks and start with today. And then up here in the corner, I'll leave a link to a playlist because I'm putting a whole playlist together of all of the videos in this challenge. And then you can go back and you can go ahead and catch on up. So hit the thumbs up button if you've been enjoying this challenge. Make sure you subscribe to the Collie Center channel. Hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any upcoming training videos here. And let's go grab our double sticks. Let's get on with day 4. We're gonna be warming up today with what's known as the single weave. Now the single weave, we're gonna start off in the open position, a little bit different than the previous drills where we started on the chamber position. On the open position, right stick is over the right shoulder, left stick is over the left shoulder. Now in the single weave, we're basically gonna be weaving our arms one time. I'm gonna strike what's called the angle 1 on my right hand, and then I'm gonna strike the angle 1 on my left hand. And this is gonna cross the arms. Then I'm gonna strike my angle 2 on my right hand, and then strike my angle 2 on my left hand, and that's going to uncross the arms. So basically on the single weave, we're gonna cross our arms and uncross our arms one time. Hence the name single weave. So from here, I'm gonna strike my 1 on the right, strike my 1 on the left, strike my 2 on the right, and then strike my 2 on the left. All right, let's use this as a warm-up for today a little bit. And yes, there's a lot of application in these movements here, but let's just kind of warm up. It's a good idea to do this for at least like 5 minutes. I want to work that endurance of these basic movements here. Okay, so just get it going. You can pause the video if you want and just get the single weave moving. Our second drill for today, because I always like having a little bit of a warm-up drill, is the double weave. So now we're going to be weaving our arms twice. This one, we're going to go back starting in the chamber position just like this. Now if you've done the first video of this double stick challenge, we worked the heaven 6. The first 2 movements on each side is going to be exactly the same as that. So I'm going to strike my 1 and strike my number 2. Now watch what I do with my right hand here that's over my left shoulder. I'm gonna go into what's called a reverse angle 1 while my left hand comes back to my left shoulder. This is gonna put us on the left chamber position. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the left hand side. I'm gonna strike my 1, strike my 2 with the right hand, just like the heaven 6 from the very first video of this challenge. Then look at that left hand. It's gonna come out, and then it's gonna flip over into a reverse angle 1, and that's gonna bring us back to the original chamber position. It's called a reverse angle 1 because it's an angle 1 that's starting on the wrong side of the body. Okay, so from here we have our 1, our 2, and our reverse angle 1. On left side, a 1 on the left hand, a 2 on the right hand, and then a reverse 1 on the left hand. Okay, so when you're starting this off, just hit it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then, the cool thing about the double weave here is that you just get it cycling through, and it's just like a continuous chain of strikes. And start this slowly here. Work it slow, work it smooth, get the motions down. You don't need any kind of like striking or power intention in this. See how I just kind of have my hands in front of my body here? I'm just learning my hands, how they're gonna just work the movement together. Now there's a lot of actually empty hand application in these movements here. We could do that in a future video. Maybe that's something that you'd want to see. But this is a nice way to just take the intention out and the intensity out and just get the hands to flow the movement together. Then you can always bring it up and work more intention behind the strikes as if you're hitting someone or something. And gradually work on the speed, gradually work on the power, okay? And then come back and just chill and just hang out and just get the hands working, going through the double weave. Yes. Feels good. Feeling good. Are you feeling good? Yeah. All right, my friends, so this is day number 4 on our double stick challenge. Again, we got that single weave, and then switch it to the chamber position. And then we got that double weave. Give it a go. Start slow. Got a few days to get these trained up, and I'll see you back here next week, Tuesday, for day 5 on our double stick collie challenge. We're training up for that Carranza Showdown, my friends. Hopefully you'll be participating. I'll tell you how to do it as we get closer to it. Make sure to check out the description down below for some links. And remember, if you want to advance your collie training with us, there's a couple things you can do. You can head over to colliecenter.com, check out the online school, go ahead and enroll right on in over there. If you want to focus just solely on double sticks, check out my double sticks DVD downloads. I got a discount code just for you down in the description below. All right, go check that out. 2 volumes. Volume 1, solo training. Volume 2, partner training. Pick them up today. And that's gonna really help you out if you want extra study for this upcoming Carranza, double stick Carranza Showdown. See you next time.